Have you ever tried turkey gizzard? If you have, then let me know how you found it. Is it chewy, spicy, or just plain delicious? Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this mouth-watering peppered turkey gizzard recipe. It's super easy to make and it's full of flavor. And I promise you're gonna love every bite. So if this sounds like something you would love or enjoy, then please sit back, relax, and then let's get cooking. Thank you. So I was supposed to remove the gizzard the night before, but I ended up removing it around 6:30 a.m. in the morning. And I didn't start filming until it was about 9 a.m. And you see me adding some vinegar to it, followed by some water, and then I tossed in some lemon. This will help remove any off aroma from the gizzard. You know that foul smell that comes along with it. It will get rid of everything. Trust me, it makes a very huge difference. Now I'll set it aside and move on to the next stage. In a blender, I'm adding some pepper, a medium-sized onion, green chillies, rosemary, scallions, ginger, bell peppers, and then garlic. And I'll give this a blend until smooth. But my processor was messing up, so I had to change to a different processor. And this is the outcome after blending. The next thing to do will be to thoroughly clean my gizzard. So I wash them properly and cut them into two because they are a bit large. But if you still find them quite big, just feel free to cut them into smaller pieces. Then I'll add some more lemon juice and wash them repeatedly just to make sure they are completely clean. In a pot, I'm transferring the clean gizzard and adding some diced onions. Then I'll add some green marinade, followed by some of the mixed pepper I blended earlier. Then I'll season it with some all-purpose seasoning, some mixed herbs, a pinch of salt, and then I'll give it a beautiful mix until everything is combined. Next, I'll add just a little amount of water and I'll let this cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium heat. After 20 minutes on fire, you could see the gizzard is still tough, so I'll just keep them cooking and move on to the next stage. While that's cooking, I'll cut my bell peppers into my preferred shape and I'll do same with the onion. And after 35 minutes on fire, the turkey gizzards are perfectly cooked. At this point, you can either fry them or oven grill them. But I'm opting for the air fryer, so I'll just air fry it for about 7 minutes maximum. And since I don't want it too dry, I'll just add a little amount of stock water, and I'll also add a little bit of oil before massaging it beautifully and air frying it for 7 minutes, like I said. In a different pot, I'll add a bit of oil, just a little amount of it, and I'll put it for about a minute or two. Then I'll add the pepper mix I blended earlier, and I'll fry for about 5 minutes maximum before adding the rest of the ingredients. If you're here and still watching, I truly appreciate your love and support. Please do not forget to like, share, and also follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. The next thing to add will be a tablespoon of marinade and a teaspoon of my preferred seasoning, and then some salt. I'll mix everything beautifully, and I'll also add some stock water from the gizzards, and I'll let this fry for another 7 minutes. Then we are good to go. I'll set some of the sauce aside for later, and when I'm done, I'll just add the air fried gizzards and I'll give it a good mix until everything is well combined. But just look at that beautiful gizzard, it looks so good. Then I'll let it be on fire for a minute or two. Before that, I'm just making sure the gizzard is well balanced with the pepper mix. If I need to add extra, I will just add it, but for now, I'm okay with the outcome. And after the gizzard is beautifully mixed, I'll then add my bell peppers. And you know, once I add my veggies, it doesn't stay on fire for too long. Because if you know me, then you know I love my veggies very crunchy. If you watched this far, then I truly appreciate your love and support. This dish can be paired with almost everything, like plain rice, jollof rice, fried rice, benku, kinky, and even fried yam. It goes with almost everything. Let me know your favorite thing to pair with this. The 2 minutes of adding the veggies, we are finally done now. So I'll just clean all sides of the pot and begin plating. I had mine with some plain rice, and I also added some of the pepper I set aside earlier. Yes, I also went along with some shito and of course my peppered gizzard. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I truly appreciate all your love and support, and I hope this recipe was helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to share to others or share with others, and also subscribe for more amazing recipes. You can also follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. We post lots of short videos I know you would love. I'll see you in my next video with another amazing or exciting recipe, so just watch out. You can also check out other amazing recipes here on the channel. See you in my next video and have a blissful week. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.